444 Elizabeth?
Yes. No, I'm not. Woo, 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 woo. Shit, hold on, wait. Where the other dog go?
He went back to the back of the hallway.
Ah! Get back! Get back! I'm gonna have to.
That one was yesterday for some protected district. We got on.
On the 12th of September 2024, a Chicago police officer on patrol witnessed two dogs attacking a person. As the officer stepped out of their vehicle, a nearby civilian, who held a concealed carry permit, fired at the dogs, killing one. The second dog stayed close to the victim until Chicago Fire Department responders arrived to provide assistance.
Oh, 8444. Hold on.
8444 Elizabeth?
Yes. No, I'm not. Woo, 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 woo. Shit, hold on, wait. 84, 35, what's this, Loomis? 8435, Racine. Go ahead.
We got you, ma'am. 8435 over Racine. We got an ambulance home. We got an ambulance home. 8435 Racine. There's a sergeant heading that way. 13, we have you going over there for her.
Let me get an ambulance over here.
We have them on the way, ma'am. We got fire.
Watch out.
We got them on the way. We got 67. We got
Watch out, son. Back up. Back up.
13, let me know when you will.
611. Oh, you have a dog.
Discharge the fire. Fire is also on the way. So we have everybody rolling.
8435 Racine.
Where's she at again, squad?
8435.
8435 Racine.
Come on,
Fire
they coming
is on the
there.
way. The sergeant is also responding at 613.
No, it won't.
A citizen discharged their firearm. We have.
And I have another one that's on the loose as well. Going down the No, you're fine. I got it.
We'll notify animal control that the dog.
611, I have a point incident. We need an ambulance for this lady.
Ma'am, fire is on the way. He's notified that they're on the way. 13, let me know when you're with.
I'm in squad. It's the same dogs I had last week.
Where the other dog go?
We went back to the back of the hallway. We need an ambulance also over here for the female.
Fire is on the way. Fire is on the way. Fire is on the way. We got it, everybody. Everybody's on the way. One shot fire in the area that's concerned.
I had these dogs last week. Yeah, we're still moving. It's another dog.
It's another one.
It's a black dog.
It's a brown dog.
Yeah. That's when he shot the brown dog?
How many?
It's 2. 3 shots. He shot this dog right here?
This dog, it's another one though. It's a bigger one.
Yeah, I seen it. The owner stay right there.
Let us fight. Be there for that.
This dog gonna have to go down.
620.
Gonna have to.
620, go ahead. 620. Alright, everybody take a breath. I'm out there.
They coming, man. They coming. Who dog is this? Who dog do you know, man?
The guy who live in the house right here. Yeah, I know.
It's a great and black pit bull. It's still standing over her. I don't want to hit her. What do you do?
Ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also a teacher at Leo.
How can we move this dog without hitting her?
Yeah, it's already on.
It's sick.
It's already here.
It's sick. Ah! Get back! Get back!
You ready?
Yeah, I don't want to hit her though. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard. knocked the
We
hit
gotta
out.
lure this dog away. No.
I'm just saying, that's the dog. My gun's in the car. Hey, sit.
Step back.
I got dog trainers in the area as well.
He hit though. No, I got him, they coming. I promise they coming, I promise.
Then again, ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
They're coming. No, you're not. Don't say that, please.
Just relax.
Don't say that.
Relax.
No, you're not.
You can get in there now.
They coming right now.
I'm trying to make sure.
Yeah, keep moving.
Stop
Stop moving.
moving, don't move.
Keep your legs down.
425-292. Event 02.
Huh?
I think that dog went in his house.
Yeah.
No, you are not.
Stop moving. Stop moving. We got this dog that's holding this lady hostage, and we live in that house. It's another dog loose too. She done got bit up, so we kind of shoot the dog.
Are you familiar with how to?
We're gonna have to kill this dog.
Yeah.
Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she not the owner.
Okay. No, you fine.
She bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah. That one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house.
Yeah.
It's a brown one.
Yeah, brown one. And it's another, and this is the black one of last week. We can get him now.
You got no choice. He can't move.
Stop moving.
Stop, ma'am. Don't move. They right here.
Oh my God, I ain't gonna. I'm dead. Man,
We're gonna have to just get close.
Woo! He hopping up.
I know.
What's your name?
It's another one right here behind you.
Yeah, I know. It's in the house, right?
I didn't see the visual. It's injured, but that don't mean he won't bite us.
94.
He's gonna come.
694.
Give me another one.
Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
I don't want to flip this thing. It's gonna have to, yeah, I already know.
694.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
That robbery yesterday was from the protected district with that on. Yes, incorrect. Just want to make sure I keep all that information in there.
611, I had to put the dog down.
Stop moving.
611, put the dog down.
40.
Yeah, I got the idea. I just wanted to know because I know they were involved in a couple of places. I wanted to confirm the name. 670, you put it in.
Yes, they had a 1701 West
Stop moving.
87.
Yep, I got all that. Okay.
Still moving.
611.
Get it one more time.
There's your over here along.
Stop moving.
And where we have them as well.
We got
Let
another
me
call.
know.
Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.